Hi guys, welcome back to Cookie Mama Creations. Today I'm going to be planning in my vertical lined happy planner of the week of 31st of August through to the 6th of September. Now, I'm not actually going to be using a kit for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through all my leftovers from kits. What I do is I cut them all up and I put them onto baking paper because it's easy to peel them up then, and I'm just going to create a spread out of these. So I'm going to start off with the to-dos along the top. Now I should have to-do headers, I would think. And I'm just going to use flags again. So I have, ouch, let me see. I think I'll use these ones. How many are on this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's fine. Okay, so I'll start. I don't mind mixing check flags from different kits as long as they've got the same amount of checks on them, if you know what I mean. Like, I wouldn't want to put down a... Now see, I'm actually not going to be able to do this because one of these is from a Happy Planner kit and one's from a how do you call it, an Iron Conjuring kit, so I'm not going to be able to do that way, so because that would drive me nuts. So I'm going to do it this way instead. I'm just going to use all of these ones. So one. Yeah, but if they had been the same size, I wouldn't have minded using 2 different kits as long as they had the same amount of checks on them, because getting halfway through the week and then realising you've got a different amount of checks would actually have annoyed me. So So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my headers. I'm going to mix the blue and the purple, I think. So I'm going to use this. I said that I wasn't going to try and do any sort of colour theme, but I've obviously told a lie there, because I'm sort of using blues and purples and like sort of browny goldy colours. That is extremely squint. Oh, here comes Jasper, I can hear him. I might be able to get a nice one to cover up this up here. Oh, there. Okay, so that's the main body down. So I used quite a bit of my leftovers there, so I'm happy about that. Quick look through my Mama of Monsters stickers. Take this little purple one, this little purple laptop. And we'll pop that there because, actually, you know what, I'm going to stick it there because I have an induction at college on Tuesday. You know what, I'm actually going to just use this Netflix binge sticker for, I wonder if I can get that to lift up again without ripping it. Yes, I can. Well, maybe not. Move that down that little bit so that it's on there. And then I can put the Netflix binge sticker right there. Perfect. That's perfect for those. And then my ever trusty One Crafty Country Girls stickers. I don't think there's any bins out next week. Let me just quickly flip through these and see. Planner time on Saturday. We can have a lazy day on Sunday because my daughter is with her dad that day after school. Pop this down to remind me that I need to call pediatrics again because I'm still waiting on a letter from them for my daughter. And then on Thursday and Friday, my daughter has PE at school, and because of the whole coronavirus situation, they just wear their PE kit to school instead of getting changed while they're there. So I'll pop that in there to mark that in so I don't forget. And then Dad's Day. Yep, I think that's me for now with that one. Oh, it's payday on Friday. Use this week. It's actually supposed to be Sunday, but because obviously Sunday's a Sunday, it's supposed to be the 6th, but the 6th is a Sunday, so they don't do direct debits on a Sunday, so not direct debits, sorry, bank transfers. They don't do those on a Sunday, so we get it a couple of days early. Alright, now I think that's all that I have bills due, but I usually do those on my monthly spread. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and write in what I need to write in for now. I'll speed this part up. Right, so that's me finished for today. As always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the shops that I've used, so One Crafty Country Girl and Mama of Monsters, as well as my discount codes for both of those shops. I'll also leave my Instagram page for you to be able to go and follow, and until next time, happy planning! Bye!